students, we are gonna read Find Spot on the Rain. Today I have rainy also. It rained last night and it also rained today. Look, Dad, it's raining, says Spot. We can go and splash in some puddles. Okay, says Dad. But we'd better put our rain boots on first. Do you want to learn how to get ready to get outside? Come on. It's very wet outside. Where should we look for puddles first? Dad asked. I can see some already, shouts Spot. What's in that tree? Oh, it's a fox. Keep out of the rain, little fox. The fox is snuggling in the tree. There are lots of puddles along the pavement. They're not very big, but they are still fun to splash in. Let's find some more, Dad says. Spot. Dad, let's find some more. Some more, Dad, says Spot. Maybe we should look in the woods. What's inside the crab? It's dry under here. I think this is a good spot where they gotta cover it so the bear will not get wet. Like peekaboo, peekaboo. There are no puddles in the woods. The trees are stopping the rain. Where shall we look next? Spot asked Dad. But wait, where's Spot? Look, the rain is stopping. Spot is on the tree. No, he's not up there. Only the squirrels are eating some nuts and pine cones. Maybe Spot is by the pond. We haven't seen him. And look, there are only the ducks. Spot is not swimming in the pool. Right now it starts to rain again. Spot is not swimming in the pool. Where could he be? The rain is stopping now. Maybe Spot is in the field. Is he? No, Spot. Here, just lots of pigs playing in the mud. Look, the sun is drying and the sun is coming out. And the pigs are having so much fun in the puddle. And there's a snail. The sun is finally shining again. Spot is playing on the swing. I think I saw him pass by. Look at the back of the rabbit. Wee, wee, wee. There's Spot. He's splashing in the park with his friends. Look at the puddle. Dad, it's big enough to fit all of us. There's a monkey playing in the puddle. There's a crocodile. There's a alligator is playing in the puddle. There is a hippo playing in a puddle. And Spots. And also, look at the puddle. It's so big. It can fit to his dad. Dad can sit right over there. Do you want to read this with me? Okay. It's raining. Time to splash in some puddles. But where's Spots? Peek behind each flap and discover lots of playful surprise. Do you wanna read that story with me? Okay, let's read it. Fun with Spots. I wonder if I can find that book in both the library. But one more thing that I want to say is thanks for subscribing, and do not forget to check all our books and like and subscribe them, and do not forget to subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.